Welcome to True Assist. Today we'll see a very interesting modification as well as an executive wheelchair seat which has been installed in an XL6. You'll be surprised to know how an executive wheelchair like this can get into a vehicle like XL6 where the door aperture might not be suitable for this wheelchair, plus the roof height might not be good enough for such a wheelchair. But yeah, we made it possible. You can see the wheelchair going up onto a wheel onto a XL6 now. This is done with the help of a remote. It has a lifting mechanism plus this beautiful leather beige colored executive wheelchair which will go up now. You can see that there is enough space for the wheelchair to go inside. The door is wide enough, plus the roof is at a very good height. The headroom inside is also pretty decent. You can see the operation is so easy and simple. The remote, there are two buttons, which just helps it get up and it can be easily stored. And now you can see how the mechanism is conveniently fixed into the XL6. The roof height, you can see it's increased by about 12 to 14 inches. It's having the smooth finish so that aerodynamically there are no issues, and the finish of the car is also pretty decent. The door is changed from the opening of the door, the hinges are also changed, and the overall vehicle looks spick and span. We will now see how we have to get the mechanism down from the XL6. We open the door, use the remote, press a button, and the entire mechanism comes down. It's as simple as that. So this mechanism is motor driven. You just need to connect it to your car battery system. Of course, you need to keep it's advisable to have the car in the on condition, but even otherwise this works beautifully. There are two variants in this mechanism. One comes with a joystick, and this one is without the joystick. So the operation is pretty smooth. It also has a seat belt where the person can hook them up onto the seat, and it's as simple as it is. Come down, just slide out and use it like a normal wheelchair, and the comfort of the chair is excellent. Thank you for watching the video.